Hi, Sigfredo Faria, horticulturist from the San Vicente de Paul Catholic Cemetery in Ponce. We've come to this ficus. It's a fig tree growing on a place where it wasn't planted. Just a seed, guess from a bird, fell in this space, and the tree started growing on the debris and the organic material. It's in a very tight space, so we're gonna take some time to prune away all the branches and get it all the way to the stump, so we can then apply some systemic herbicide and prevent it from growing again or sprouting. We've cleared the stump. We've made the biggest fresh cuts we can with the tools and the space we have provided. Now we're going to apply herbicide solution. This kind of herbicide is glyphosate on a 50-50 ratio, 50% concentrate product and 50% water. Very important, it has to be very soon. Once you do the cuts, in the next minutes, you go in and you apply the herbicide, in this case with the brush, to the fresh cuts. We need to emphasize that we're using a brush just to do a very specific, target, identified, localized application of herbicide, of this high concentrate herbicide mix to the fresh wounds or the fresh cuts. Using a sprayer to do this application will expose myself. I'll need to use some other clothing and respiratory protection, and will also deposit herbicides on the walls close to the stump. We want to minimize the exposition of granite, marble, concrete, bricks, all those materials to herbicide, because of the effect that on a long term the herbicide will have in the material. So this is the easiest and maybe the most effective option.